Hey everyone, we have a TLS caliper kit finished up today. This is a bolt-on 4-piston front caliper upgrade kit for Honda and Acura 5-lug vehicles. You get a set of new calipers that are cut to be bolt-on to your hub or knuckle, and no modifications are needed on your vehicle. Comes with all new hardware. We include the pad clips, pad pins, mounting bolts, and a set of shims for any type of wheel clearance you may need. We also include decals, and powder coating is optional. These have been powder coated in Bengal Red, so a nice gloss red, kind of our standard color for a Brembo red type look. And only thing you have to buy on your own are TL Type S pads and rotors. Any brand will work as long as they are the correct parts. So you can order this caliper kit on our website at VisionAutoworks.com. Reach out to us if you have any other questions.